Transforming education. How AI is revolutionizing learning. Imagine a classroom where every student gets personalized guidance, assignments are graded instantly, and learning adapts to individual strengths and weaknesses. Sounds like the future? Well, it's happening now thanks to artificial intelligence AI. AI is reshaping the education landscape, making learning more accessible, engaging, and effective than ever before. In this video, we'll explore how AI is transforming education and what this means for students, teachers, and the future of learning. Section 1. What is AI in education? AI in education refers to the use of artificial intelligence technologies to enhance teaching, learning, and administrative processes. Through machine learning, natural language processing, and adaptive algorithms, AI personalizes education and improves outcomes. Clips of AI-powered educational platforms in action. Visuals of students interacting with AI learning tools. From intelligent tutoring systems to AI-driven grading tools, these technologies are revolutionizing how knowledge is delivered and consumed. Section 2. Personalized learning with AI. One of the biggest advantages of AI in education is personalized learning. AI systems analyze student data to identify strengths, weaknesses, and learning preferences. Based on this, they adjust the pace and content to match individual needs. A student interacting with an AI learning platform. Examples of adaptive learning apps providing personalized content. Platforms like Dreambox, Squirrel AI, and Newton offer tailored lessons, ensuring that no student is left behind. Section 3. AI-powered tutors and virtual assistants. AI tutors are available 24/7, providing instant feedback and answering questions in real time. Tools like Socratic by Google and Quizlet allow students to receive assistance anytime, anywhere. Footage of a student asking a question to an AI tutor. AI-generated responses helping with homework or explaining complex concepts. These virtual tutors not only assist with homework, but also guide students through problem solving, making learning more interactive and engaging. Section 4. Automated grading and feedback. Grading and providing feedback is time-consuming for educators, but AI is changing that. AI-powered grading systems analyze assignments, quizzes, and essays, providing instant feedback. Animation of AI scanning and grading assignments. Example of a teacher reviewing AI-generated feedback. Tools like Gradescope and Turnitin allow educators to focus more on teaching while ensuring timely feedback for students. Section 5. AI in language learning. AI is also transforming language learning. Apps like Duolingo and Babbel use AI to adapt lessons based on user performance, making learning a new language more effective and engaging. Footage of a user interacting with Duolingo. Real-time feedback and progress tracking using AI. AI-powered language tools analyze speech patterns and pronunciation, offering immediate corrections and personalized suggestions. Section 6. Predictive analytics for better outcomes. AI's ability to analyze data allows educators to predict student performance and intervene before challenges arise. Predictive analytics identify at-risk students, helping teachers provide additional support. Charts and graphs showing student progress. Teachers receiving AI-powered alerts on student performance. By recognizing patterns in student behavior, AI helps institutions make data-driven decisions that improve outcomes. Section 7. Virtual classrooms and AI-powered collaboration. With the rise of online education, AI is enhancing virtual learning environments. AI moderates discussions, tracks participation, and even offers personalized recommendations to students. Clips of virtual classrooms with AI tools managing student interactions. AI suggesting relevant resources and study materials. Platforms like Microsoft Teams and Zoom integrate AI features that facilitate seamless collaboration and engagement in virtual classrooms. Section 8. Accessibility and inclusive learning. AI is making education more inclusive by addressing the needs of students with disabilities. Speech-to-text, text-to-speech, and image recognition tools enable learners of all abilities to access educational content. Clips of visually impaired students using text-to-speech technology. AI tools assisting students with different learning needs. With AI, learning is becoming more accessible to everyone, breaking down barriers in education. Section 9. challenges, and ethical concerns. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The use of AI in education raises concerns about data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the role of teachers in an AI-driven world. Visuals highlighting privacy concerns and ethical challenges. Debates on balancing AI and human interaction in education. As we move forward, it's essential to ensure that AI enhances education while respecting privacy and fairness. Section 10. The future of AI in education. So, what's next for AI in education? As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more personalized and immersive learning experiences. Virtual reality, augmented reality, and AI-powered simulations will redefine how knowledge is delivered. Futuristic concepts of AI-powered classrooms. Students using VR and AI for interactive learning. The future of learning is not just digital, it's intelligent, adaptive, and inclusive. Conclusion: AI is transforming education in ways we never imagined. From personalized learning and virtual tutors to predictive analytics and inclusive classrooms, AI is paving the way for a smarter and more accessible future of education. Are you ready to embrace the AI-powered classroom of tomorrow? The future of learning is here, let's make the most of it. Subscribe for more insights on AI and the future of education. So let's recap. How AI is transforming education. It's like a personal tutor that can explain anything you want to learn in a way that's easy to understand. And the best part is it's free. Like you can use it to learn new languages, do complex math problems, or just ask it to write an essay for you. It's so helpful and it makes learning fun. But that's not all. It also saves teachers a lot of time, like grading papers used to take hours. But now AI can do it in minutes. And with AI, you can get feedback on your work instantly. But some people are worried that AI will replace teachers. I don't think that's gonna happen anytime soon. AI is just a tool that can help us learn more effectively. It's up to us humans to use it to our advantage. So what do you think? Will AI change the future of education? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Till the next video.